Our Tekla Structures training differs from other Tekla training because it teaches the practical application of Tekla structures on real-world examples and builds your knowledge in a logical progression, tutorial by tutorial. There are other online courses available that will teach you some of the basic tools, but these are not enough to learn how to use Tekla structures for when you need to start your first project. Both the engineering and steel detailing courses are structured as a series of tutorials. Each one builds on the knowledge from the last, helping you develop a solid foundation. The first 5 tutorials are the same across both courses. After that, the path split, where the engineering course shifts its focus to design drawings, while the steel detailing course, which this video covers, dives into fabrication drawings. Tutorial 1 kicks things off with a simple model. You'll learn how to start a new project, set up grids, create model views, and model basic elements like footings, columns, and beams. Then we'll add common connections such as base plates, shear plates, and end plates. In Tutorial 2, we move on to a typical portal frame. You'll learn how to model slope members like rafters, add roof and wall bracing, and include purlins and bridging. We'll also explore how to move the work plane to a roof slope and introduce the connection types used in these situations. Next, in Tutorial 3, we'll introduce some plate work. While you may not work on plate work projects often, this tutorial gives you valuable practice with 3D geometry, skills that are especially useful for more complex scenarios like hip and valley rafters. You'll also begin modeling plates, bolts, and welds manually, giving you a deeper understanding of Tekla's flexibility beyond automated tools. Tutorial 4 is all about stairs, but not using the standard Tekla stair tools. Instead, you'll build a stair from first principles. You'll create geometry at set angles, lay out key points and lines, model bent plate, and use line cuts and fittings to modify members manually. We will though also explore the Tekla stair components. Tutorial 5 dives into custom connections. Rather than relying on Tekla's built-in components, we'll build connections from scratch. This gives you a deeper understanding of how Tekla works behind the scenes and helps you troubleshoot or modify automated connections when they fall short. You'll also learn to use polygon and part cuts to create penetrations and how to save custom-built details as reusable custom components. In Tutorial 6, we tackle a pipe truss. You'll learn how to model and connect circular members, apply wraparound cuts, and add splices. We finish this tutorial by creating an unwrapped drawing of a pipe. By now, you'll have the core modeling skills you need. Tutorial 7 puts those skills to the test. You'll work from a realistic set of design drawings, complete with anchor bolt plans, elevations, and connection details, to model a small structure independently. In Tutorial 8, you'll use that same model to create all the key drawings, such as marking plans, assembly drawings, and single part drawings. And you'll learn how to edit and fine-tune them using Tekla's drawing tools. Before we generate any drawings though, you'll be shown how to check your model, using reports and other tools to make sure everything's ready. Finally, in Tutorial 9, we focus on revisions. You'll learn how to manage changes in the model and understand how those changes flow through to your drawings. By the end of this course, you won't just know what the tools do, you'll know how to use them in real projects.